What's up, guys? I'm Brian Geyer, and this is CB Yodas. And today, we're painting these wheels blue and black so we can put them on our 93.
Very good. So we got these wheels here from a guy, and we've had them for a while. Never had anything that they would fit on. And then yesterday we went and bought these brand new tires. Got these from a guy off Facebook, actually. Never been mounted yet, and got them cheaper than what I could find new ones anywhere else. So we're going to spray these blue first. We're going to do the blue right here, and then we're going to mask that up and then do black over top of it, pull the blue off or the tape off, and then clear coat the whole thing. So I'm pretty excited to see what these are going to turn out like, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, well, here we go. Let's get some blue mixed up and get to going. Oh, what are you doing right now, bud?
I am cleaning the lip on the wheels
Okay.
for the blue.
Sweet. All right, cool.
I'll put a little bit of that on there. Hold it like that. Make sure it's wet. And then slap it on there. Go all the way around.
So we're back here by our little paint mixing station, aka detailing station, aka those two things don't mix, so why in the world am I doing it back here? Well, this is it. So we're going to put down some white first, and then we're going to put down some blue, and then we'll mask it up, and we're going to get crazy here in a second. All right, here we go. We're going to put some white down first.
Yep.
That's our tack coat, I guess you can say. Got that down.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the white done. And the reason that I put the white down is so that the blue has something easy to cover up. So, yeah. So we're going to spray some blue here in a second and then get ready for masking. You ready to mask?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go with the blue, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait. Oh.
Trust me.
Okay. Not gonna mask it, I guess.
You'll see.
Oh my. The way that we are going to paint the rest of it black is, I think we're going to mask up the blue that we did, and then we're going to paint the parts that weren't supposed to be blue, black, or mask it, and then we will paint that black.
Okay, we got the blue done, right where we wanted it. And then we're going to put some masking tape over that here in just a second. And then we're going to spray some black. Alright, so here we are. We got everything masked up with our fine line stuff, which is easier to manipulate. So what that means is it's real easy to get these hard edges, those hard curves and stuff. So we'll spray our black over top of that, and then peel the blue tape off, get all that out of the way, and then it'll be blue and black, and we'll clear the whole thing.
Yay!
Alright, here we go. So we get everything masked off. I'll show you that real quick. All the blue is covered up that we don't want to get black on, so that's good. We're going to shoot a little bit of black here and see what it turns out like. All right, Brian. We get them all painted up, right? So now, let's see about taking this tape off. Let's see what it's all about.
Pretty right now.
All right. Here, let's do this. Grab a hold of this one here. Oh my God, dude. Oh my goodness.
This is gonna be beautiful.
Let's get them all done real quick. How about that?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. What do you think? Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I'm so excited.
I love them.
We'll get these tires put on tomorrow on these here wheels, and then we'll mount them on the truck. And oh my gosh, we'll have to see what they look like then.
It's so beautiful.
It's gonna be very nice. Anyway, that's it for this video. So you got anything you want to say?
Subscribe and like.
There you go. We thank you guys for watching. We're just doing cool things, man. We're excited about what's going on around here. We just wanted to show you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.